Nagkikistan sina DENR Secretary Gina Lopez at ang ilang estudyanteng kumikwestiyon sa pagpapasara niya sa ilang minahan sa bansa. Nakatutok si Bernadette Reyes.
Kilos protesta mula sa mga minero ng Benguet at Zambales at mga estudyante ng UP at Adamson ang bumungad sa mga opisyal ng DENR kaninang umaga. Ang gusto nila, malaman kung paano nabuo ang audit report na pinagbasehan ng pagpapasara sa mahigit 20 minahan sa bansa. Pinagbigyan sila ni DENR Secretary Gina Lopez sa kahilingang makausap siya. Pero sa gitna ng dialogo,
sorry, excuse me. According po sa law, ma'am, di ba, mayroon pong separation ng agricultural lands and mineral lands. So is that a mineral land? Is that an ecotourism land? Okay, you don't answer the question po, ma'am. Is that a mineralized land?
You know, you're gonna ask me questions and I can't talk, and when I'm talking, you intervene now. Is that fair? Let me talk.
nasundan pa ito ng ipilit ng isang estudyante na agad-agad niyang makuha ang kopya ng audit report.
Is that bastos or is that bastos, no? I mean, what do you want me to do? Bring a whole room load of documents here for you to see? Why don't you go there and see it?
We're trying to butt in kasi her answers to our questions are hindi talaga sagot.
Tiniyak ng kalihim na di raw niya pababayaan ng mga maaaring mawalan ng trabaho sakaling tuluyang mapasara ang mga minahan.
I have the money to create an alternative economy, and I have been successful in my projects in Palawan, in Puerto Princesa, in the Yolanda area, where my communities are earning 30 million a year and I only put in 1 million.
Pero para sa International Chamber of Commerce Philippines, hindi madali ang paglikha ng mga bagong trabaho, lalo na sa sektor ng ecotourism na tinitingnang alternatibo ni Lopez.
To create a job is not something that you could do it overnight. And it might take you months, years to do it. They still wanted to see, after all this pronouncement of the good secretary, what happened next.
Samantala, ipinagkibit balikat naman ni Lopez ang plano ng Chamber of Mines of the Philippines na harangin ang appointment niya sa Commission on Appointment.
If in a year and a half I don't make a difference with the money that I have, then I don't deserve to be cabinet secretary, di ba?
Bernadette Reyes, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.